Hello and welcome to another IndySoft Tip Tuesday. My name is Evan, and today I want to show you a global variable that we can set up in our configuration to allow us to add items to an event using some non-standard fields. So first, we need to go into our admin panel and system-wide preferences here, and then over to the variables tab, and we're going to add a new one, which I've already done here, custom underscore barcode underscore field. And then below that, we're going to specify the field that we want to search on. I've currently got model number in here. Note that I do have it preceded by gauges dot. That's just letting it know that it's coming from the gauges table, so you do want to put that in there. If I use model number though, and I type in 87.5 for example, and I've got 187.5s in one company, couple dozen in another company, a couple dozen in another company maybe, it's going to try to add all of those, and it is going to throw an error saying we found this under multiple companies, but we are only adding this one company that you're working in right now, right? So maybe not the most recommended use there, but one that would be more useful, more apt use of the global variable here would be the alternate ID. Right? So maybe you've got a customer or an internal numbering system that you want to search on instead of the ID or serial number. So let's try that out. I'm going to open up my admin panel again, and we need to open up workflow config to make sure our event's ready to accept this barcode. So I've got that minimized down here. We're going to go to, first off, find the event you want to modify, double click, get to it, make sure you're on the right one. Step 4 over here on the left, barcode/display rules. We're going to want to find the one that says custom field equip selection. Make sure that's checked. And you can still search and use this in tandem with regular ID searching. So go ahead and save that. You can close your workflow config. Make sure you give reload all settings up there with a right click, and then let's give it a shot. So first, like I said, we can still use the standard ID field, right? I'm going to add this piece of equipment that we see by typing in the ID. So that still works as usual. And then I'm also going to use my alternate ID there that is now searchable and use that to add this piece of equipment to the event. Thanks, and we'll see you next Tuesday.